Hello, welcome to Nana Wanda Reads. Today we are going to read At the Train Station. The station is always exciting with busy people all around. The people are coming and going. They come from all over town. The conductor says to a vendor, "Did you see last night's home run?" An old woman sits and knits happily. She will be seeing her new grandson. On the platform, the tracks start to rumble. The conductor thinks it's nearly noon. The passengers collect their bags. The train will be here soon. The conductor shouts, "All aboard!" The train's loud whistle blows. The conductor quickly checks his watch, then chug, 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 off they go. And that was the book, The Train Station. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I will bring another story for you soon. Goodbye.